Hey guys, this is not normally a normal intro that I do for any of my reviews, but since I'm dressed as Gokai Red, I thought I would do it. So in the next video, our next one up is the Ninja Storm keys, or if you're from Japan, it is the Hurricaneger set. That's our first review, and we're going to be doing the reviews on the Hurricaneger and the stroke Ninja Storm key set for the legendary Mobiles for the series Gokaiger, or as it's now called, the legendary key sets. So we're going to be looking at how they are and seeing what we can do with them. So let's move on! The first thing that comes into the box that we didn't look at before is the background of the symbols. So you have all of them, so hawk, dolphin, lion, beetle, I think. So that was quite nice. I like the fact that when you got the whole brush stroke here, as well as the symbols. So when they do like the ninja shadow arts or something, this is the main effect that you see. So I think that was great. Inside is absolutely nothing apart from a code. That's the one I have. So that's probably the key set I've got. So here are the key sets as they're out. So as we're going to point detail, you'll see these in a little promotional video at the end. So you have the symbols on here, which I really like. It's very nice detail. So as you can see, that they've not done that much detail here on the three main ones on the helmet, but they have on navy and crimson. You can see that on they've got the armor parts on the arms of crimson and navy, as well as like the extra bits of armor everywhere. So let's take a closer look. So let's have a look at red. Now you got his emblem here. Arms move up and down, and again on the back, absolutely, just the screws and the keys. So when you lift his legs up, you have a perfect key set. So the stickers look really nice. You've got the symbol of the series there, as well as the detail. Key looks completely different to the others, well, as in the other ninja sets. And then you find out that this is R137, so that's within the series. So yeah, that's pretty much that one. So let's take blue. Again, same sort of thing. I like the detail on a helmet here, as well as the symbol of the dolphin and the leg parts to show her skirt. And so again, we lift up the key, same sort of thing. Nice photo finish here. The symbol, a nice blue, and this is R138. So again, a very nice detail. A little bit there of when they've all been taken off. Let's move in. Yellow. Okay, so again, more detail on his helmet because he has the little fangs. So as you can see there. So you have the symbol of the lion on his chest. Again, I didn't see it on these ones, but it says, I think this is kind of a letdown, Bandai China. Really. Okay, so apart from that being on there, you have his symbol there. And again, it's slightly, I don't know, it's because it's yellow, you can see the black a lot more compared to, say, red, where the red doesn't kind of fit in. But yeah, and he is R139. Navy, no, crimson. Okay, so he's got more detail. But if you see on his helmet here, you have the fact that from there, which looks really cool. Just the thing that's on his helmet, the beetle horn. You've got his armor parts here, as well as there, and again, thoughts there. So we're going to put his arms up, and boom. So he has a different, same crest, so I thought it was different, but yep, different thing. Again, more of a nicer, darker red finish, and he is R141. So that means blue is a different number again. So again, let's have a look. You can see on his detailed helmets here. So you've got more of the beetle horn again. And again, he's got the armor parts. So let's open him up, and bam! Nice little finish there. A lot darker blue than because it's navy, obviously. Okay, and he's R142. So that's that one there. What I would give for all these would be, I like him, so I would say a lovely 10 out of 10. Our Mobirates, so let's turn it on, and let's take these guys out of the way. So bang, our Mobirates is right there. So we're going to take our key, and this is the first time they've been used. So lights up. And one more. So this will probably be pretty much exactly the same as all the others. Push it a third time. Pull that one out. Try blue. Wrong way. So same sort of thing again. Alright, let's try it with Crimson. Oh, it's something completely different. So quite surprised, I thought they'd all say the same thing. Let's try this one. So exactly the same as the other one, and that's that Mobirates. So let's try it in the legendary Mobirates. We'll put it in this one. So we'll choose red. Red goes in. So slightly louder. Okay. So slightly louder. Try blue. So pop the key in. So, again slightly louder. Let's try yellow. So let's see if these are different again. Okay, let's try blue. So, there we go, all the keys in order my pirates. So let's move on to Hurricaneger next, and I shall see you guys in a bit. Help me!